This product is designed to empower the user to work on various machining processes, considering the safety measures while working on them. This product will give you an insight of these processes, like turning, milling, drilling, and grinding, considering the relevant parameters through real-life simulation. The enhanced computer graphics enable the product to be viewer-friendly and provide better access for learning. This product also covers different machining processes, visualizing it from the graphic-enabled product. So, enhance your technical skills on machining by learning at your own pace and comfort through real-life simulations.